How to log in Axis Bank Gold Loan account. For this, open a browser and search for Axis Bank Gold Login. Now once you do this, go ahead and hit enter. Tap on the first suggestion, that is apply for gold loan. Go ahead and tap on it. At the top, you should find the option of login. You have to go ahead and tap on the option right there. Tap on login next to personal. Now once you tap on it, you will find such interface where you can log in using your customer ID or login ID and password. If not, you can go ahead and select the debit card, from where you can enter your debit card number and ATM PIN number to log in to your Axis Bank, and also enter the CAPTCHA and pass the verification test. Now once you do this, you will find similar interface like this. Tap on Explore Products and go to Loans. From here, select the option of Gold Loan. And that is how you can even apply for a gold loan. Isn't it simple? And that's a wrap for how to log in Axis Bank Gold Loan account. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.